Hello, you are welcome to solve for s from this given nice math tricky exponential problem. 7 raised to power s minus 4 multiplied by 7 raised to power x over 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. Can you solve this? If you have a better method, I want you to give your answer in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 7 raised to power x minus 4 multiplied by 7 raised to power s over 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. Do you agree with me that 7 raised to power s is the same thing as 7 raised to power s over 2 all square? Then this can be written as 7 raised to power s over 2 all square minus 4 multiplied by 7 raised to power s over 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now let 7 raised to power s over 2 is equal to y. Now we have y square minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. Our quadratic general formula is given as y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of y square. B is equal to minus 4, which is the coefficient of y. And then c is equal to minus 5 here, which is the constant. Y is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 all square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is minus 5 over 2 multiplied by 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square, that is 16. Then minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 5, that will be plus 20 over 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. Y is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 20, 36 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. This is the same thing as 4 plus or minus square root of 36, that is 6 over 2. Y is equal to 4 plus 6 over 2, or y is equal to 4 minus 6 over 2. Y is equal to 10 over 2. This is equal to 5, or y is equal to minus 2 over 2, which is equal to minus 1. But 7 raised to power s over 2 is equal to y. Now we have 7 raised to power s over 2 is equal to minus 1, or 7 raised to power s over 2 is equal to 5. Then from here, this is positive and this is negative. So this is invalid. Now let's consider this. This is positive. This is positive. So this is true. Then we have 7 raised to power s over 2 is equal to 5. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 7 raised to power s over 2 is equal to log 5. s over 2 log 7 is equal to log 5. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 7. We have s over 2 is equal to log 5 over log 7. Now, if you have log a over log b, this is equal to log a base b. S over 2 is equal to log 5 base 7. Then if you cross multiply here, s is equal to 2 log 5 base 7. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 7 raised to power s minus 4 multiplied by 7 raised to power s over 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. And this is 7 raised to power 2 log 5 base 7 minus 4 multiplied by 7 raised to power 2 log 5 base 7 and over 2 minus 5 must be equal to 0. So here, this is same thing as 7 raised to power log 5 square base 7 minus 4 multiplied by these two, cancel these two. 7 raised to power log 5 base 7 minus 5 must be equal to 0. Here, this is 7 raised to power log 25 base 7 minus 4 multiplied by 7 raised to power log 5 base 7 minus 5 must be equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. So the whole of this is 25 minus 4 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 minus 5 must be equal to 0. Now here we have 25 minus 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20 minus 5 must be equal to 0. Here is 25 minus 25 must be equal to 0. And of course, 25 minus 25, this is 0, is equal to 0, which is true. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.